Yes, it was a community manifesto. The point is, the issue was between the contesting parties and not intra-party. Say the MPP no issue, no. MPP, NDC, independent candidate no more issues. Of course, I mean normal. Say a contest no more. It's no more issues. But it wasn't an issue. I know MPP say yeah, MPP for no issue. There's no issue. As far as I'm concerned. Because I mean, we all know what happened in 2012, 2016. At a point in time, some of the executives of the party didn't call court in Nema. Okay, Aboma a war or more at the court 2020 primary no. You did what Abom no yeah. But he lost it. It tells you professor you are not solid on the ground. Yuji Boachianchi as former or as incumbent member of parliament for Subin Constituency no, has no choice than to support the parliamentary candidate who is not an NDC, who is not an independent candidate, who is not an LPG, but is an MPP person. What are we talking about? Democracy no no. And say akunya ne nye wufi akunya. Etwa adehye na wo ho na omye party for no. Epre no mo pre a wo ho oden no no wa wini o wini wi a e dey asem na Canada Japan anka enene na ayi omo opponent and this kura nya bi dey campaign ewie e dey na kosi ye enye na odi na chi odi your friends na po achi eye campaign dey ma Dr. Mahmoud Baumie. That's the beauty of democracy. So but you see eye na dey ha adwen kura men kura dey another topic for another day. E bi ansem bi eye nipa ni mu bi ka internal politics no, and as an internal contest in some be an nipa ni bi ka na asa ko injurious because they are another topic for another. I don't want to debate. So I don't want to believe it should be any ho, and I don't want to believe it should be a ho because you are changing what contest no lose here we lose na say MPP you be change where did him come one minister, one deputy minister,
and the minimum to so Obasomoy, so what did come? No, but
a lot of
Nkum, me pacho TMA, me pacho Timasi, me pacho TMA, Ubisama Sem. And I'm say, minimum so Obesum Ghana, and Yaman appointment as minute me Ghana, them just now, Depi, as well, council, where did you come on? And I only did, and no, me see minim. So what did you say they won't come? So what did you come on? I do the minim say what so
okay, mama come
as the minister, the deputy minister, say what by there. But so what did you do there? And was Nkum
make come as what did him? What did you say? After so by member of parliament for Subin Constituency no. When your appointment to become a deputy minister for Western housing, all right? That's what we are some. We are people awesome.
And how cause what did you mean?
And now we in Jaka.
Send you no.
We are
minister. We are MP na tier more appointments as a minister. I think you know that. Your amount double salary, and for that matter,
just double salary. On his CV. Why well, deputy minister on his CV as making? Do you know what that means to him? Why MP? Why deputy minister on his CV? And then did you know?
Where did you see this?
Now when you baby betting dinner, that is what we are talking. No, let's call it spade a spade. Let's call. You know me. Say I don't know. Didn't you? I'm making send it here. Regardless, you also virgin because we are on opinion. The reality is that Kufo catch the woman. Time without number say. Ebe yes say. Wo be ye prapra for now party your power. Than say ube she court untana party opposition. And that is what some of them should begin to think about. There are other people be are almost several party no from 92. Ube timia hunkro form several party no from 92. Womunya taku anasempoa. They are still following the party. They are now about political parties in Ayana many abrene say. I am always reminded by Asamoah Obama about 2010 or so 2029. I will say we need to have a strong institutions. 2024 yɛ about to ayekoti yenim do be win Ghana for do don never chere say even in an event say NDC po win a we need a very strong NPP in opposition. If NPP continues their aid, we need a very strong NDC or any other political party in opposition to check the governing party. And I mean, any other any ayeka say. Subin Constituency problem be anyhow.
Mamenya ayimra.
Eugene Buachientwi has no reason or whatsoever not to support the parliamentary candidate because onunu winning and obabe two will be free hono. Onya do support.
Ye besa to Nkum yi so. Ye wo interview be ye free ho. Na anji ye mfa boafo mi no na mo amwo Subin voice note number ni 0539199968 0539199968 utie mo Subin constituency how well crowd na who MP so a campaign no so betima aka wasem Nkum ebirum de anyo you see you go to some of the constituencies you MPs ni bia yes obeka de wo kan say ubetu obi abetu genuinely nkanya problem but some people feel say no yes say dia ekwan a wo fa so a ana say ye fa so tu no you get it and no problem enti apart from Subin ye di honko of course say problem be any ho but there are cracks kakra wo ho oko offense no offer Nkum, I am telling you that even party for being cramping for being crano who say omo anye the campaign beyond the member of parliament no it will affect omo numbers our constituency ho most of them call have no southwest MPs who say obi who say yes what to me but me be say me ma who say me ye popular enti so numbers at the end of the day ever from one e confirm that na say nipa no ho kra no ye e ba de say na enti say anhwe ye na party no kokko ekolusu a then we do forensic analysis of the results yeah because na we kra no na we kra from we kra dey from because when him say MPBR the wish is that obey increasing numbers in the constituency then or the no lobby for the who can say adidie be wo dey na make you adidie Nkum adidie it is there but you know no o dey be kwa ba me aba be hwe and I will do that this analysis near that we are your interviewer ye be ye free ho na ye ne fruit juice essential eba be din komo adwi me no bi